Hello everyone, I'm Storm Tracker 18 meteorologist Austin Haskins. It was a beautiful day yesterday after some warm and kind of humid weather to start the week yesterday. We got rid of those high dew points. The wind was a little bit breezy, so we had to contend with that. But with the sunshine around, we still managed highs mid to upper 70s and even a couple of spots, including Eau Claire, reaching 80 degrees. And yesterday marked the third straight day in Eau Claire that we have not seen any rain. So that's probably the longest streak we've had in quite some time. Our monthly rain total still sits just under 7 inches, which is 2.74 inches above for the month, and for the year we're about 3.4 inches above average. And of course, with all the rain that we've had so far the last several weeks, the river levels have been on the rise. Now, the Chippewa River in Eau Claire as of this morning, still in the action stage at about 767.5 feet. It is expected to crest later today at about 768 feet, then start to go down over the next couple of days. The Chippewa River near Fountain City expected to drop below action stage by tonight into tomorrow morning. The same thing with the Black River near Galesville, but we're looking at potentially major flooding on the Mississippi near Hastings, Minnesota. Moderate flooding in Red Wing on the Mississippi, and then down by Winona staying in that minor flood stage. So that's where the river levels stand as of Thursday morning. But these numbers and the timing of when it'll crest could vary the next couple of days because we have more rain in the forecast. Now, not looking to be a ton of rain, at least, with this wave coming in overnight tonight into tomorrow. But of course, any rain at this point in time, that's going to maybe, add to those river levels, can maybe staying a little bit higher a little bit longer. But during the day today, though, I think we're going to stay pretty dry. Partly to mostly cloudy skies. It's going to be mild once again. Couple of showers possible this evening, but the better chance for rain is going to actually be as we get into Friday morning. Some models have it coming in as early as about 4 to 5 a.m. Others are kind of more scattered in nature and also more so towards that 7, 8 a.m. time frame. So sometime tomorrow morning, we're going to see the first wave of rain move through. I don't expect really much in terms of thunderstorm activity, but in the afternoon and evening hours, we are expected to see at least a couple more scattered showers and storms to redevelop as a cold front approaches from the west, and that will continue into part of the overnight hours. But by the time we get to Saturday morning, we're looking at pretty dry conditions, though in the afternoon, as you see here, another cold front comes through, and that could allow for at least a couple of showers to pass through. Now, here's another run of Futurecast. This is the HRRR model, and you can see this one is keeping things pretty dry through the day. There may be, again, a couple of showers this evening. This one's got the better coverage of rain starting to move in after midnight tonight, mostly along and west of Highway 25, and then the rain moving through during that 5 to 8 a.m. time frame tomorrow. That moves away as we get towards midday, and then more shower and storms expected to develop tomorrow afternoon and evening. That one is showing a little more widespread coverage of the rain. So the afternoon and evening forecast tomorrow could still vary just a little bit, but the idea is that we're going to see 2 waves of showers and storms, one tomorrow morning and possibly one more tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. So and that's our best chance of rain in the short term. So just a slight chance overnight tonight becomes likely tomorrow and tomorrow evening. And then, as I mentioned, just a slight chance for showers on Saturday. Then as we enter the next week, we're looking at another chance for showers and storms Monday afternoon, Monday night, and into the day Tuesday, maybe spilling over into part of the evening on Tuesday. So rain the next couple of days. So this would be for the wave coming through tomorrow. Most spots, a 1/10 to a 1/2 inch of rain. There could be some spots that maybe see up to 1 inch, maybe 1.5 inches on the very high end. And of course, that would be for any multiple waves of rain and storms that pass through one area. But most spots should stay under 1 inch. Then the next 7 days combined, we're looking at totals anywhere from about a 1/2 inch to as much as 1.5 inches to 2 inches. And that includes Friday's system and then the system early next week. So more rain is on the way, and we'll also have to watch the potential for some strong to maybe severe storms on our Friday. We still have a level 1 out of 5 risk in place for the entire area, though they have increased the risk from the western parts of the Twin Cities metro up to I-94 and areas south to a level 2 risk, and that includes areas west of Rochester in Minnesota. Now, this is a conditional threat, I will say, because it depends on when that morning round of rain moves out and where the position of this low pressure and warm front will be tomorrow afternoon. And of course, maybe if we even see a little bit of clearing. If we do get any severe storms, it would be hail up to about 1.25 inches in diameter, which is about $half size, winds up to 65 miles per hour on the very high end. And then that area in green for the tornado risk, it means a spin-up tornado can't be ruled out, but the tornado risk tomorrow is very, very low. And then I want to fast forward a bit to Monday, because even though we don't have a risk for severe weather in our area defined for Monday or Tuesday next week, there is a risk across South Dakota and Nebraska, and that could move towards our area in the coming days. So that's something that we'll have to watch as we get closer in time. So be sure to stay with us for updates on that. So looking at the extended forecast, 78 for the high today, so still a little bit below average. Our average is 81, but we'll still take upper 70s for late June. 73 tomorrow, 77 on Saturday. Will be breezy. Again, the slight chance of those isolated showers. Sunday looking to be the best day of the weekend. Sunshine in mid-70s after starting the day near 50. Slight chance of showers and storms Monday afternoon becomes likely Monday night, and then we'll jump up into the low to mid-80s by the middle of next week.